What are you looking for?
My reading glasses.
Here, try this.
Oh, thanks. Wow. This is as accurate as my reading glasses.
Great.
Don't just magnify, clarify with the original Pocket Peepers reading lens. The Pocket Peeper is a 100% accurate optical lens that gives you the same clarity and range of focus as prescription reading glasses, even at a distance. Unlike a plain magnifier that only makes things large and fuzzy, the Pocket Peeper actually corrects reading vision loss and makes everything clearer.
The quality of the Pocket Peeper's reading lens is equal to the prescription reading glasses that I fit for presbyopia every day. The Pocket Peeper is a great solution when you find yourself without those reading glasses for those short tasks.
Now you can really read that menu, see that roadmap, inspect that paperwork, even make your list and check it twice. With a genuine optical lens at universal strength, the Pocket Peeper is the original reader's device. Its slim design, scratch-resistant acrylic lens, and sturdy frame mean you can quickly and safely slide it anywhere and never lose sight. Pocket Peepers are nearly impossible to break, so if you've lost your glasses or left them behind, the Pocket Peeper is always easy to find. Look, don't put up with hyped-up magnifiers. The Pocket Peeper doesn't just make things bigger, it corrects reading vision loss and makes everything clearer and more focused. So reading on the go is easier guaranteed. Put one in your pocket and keep one at home. Now you'll see clearer everywhere you go. Don't just magnify, clarify with the original Pocket Peeper reading lens.